Well, don't let this beautiful sunny weather deceive you. It's colder than a well diggers you know what out here. So, you know what that means. It's time for a Mopar cold start. So this is, besides the truck, this is the only one that is capable of running right now. So, see what the temperature is out here. See that? 19 degrees. So okay then. Got a key. This is a carbureted 318. It's an 87 Gran Fury. It's not been running in about a week. So we're not going to do anything special. We're not going to try to encourage it with anything except just getting in it and setting a choke and turning the key and see what happens. So let's give her. Oh boy. Hey, just like that, huh? This is a carburetor that runs so poorly otherwise, but boy, it's a good starter. I'll say that for it. Alright, we'll let this warm up a while since it did so good starting. We'll let the battery charge and all that good stuff. So